Bafethu sonke siyazi ukuthi the last time ibafana bafethu yaphakamisa indebe kwaba mnandi bebagqoke kanje.
Sure.
Bebafakela ikipa lezi ezicacile bafethu izinto yabona I think le kit le the way beyinenhlanhla ngakhona yikit bebayifakile bawina yikit futhi bebadlala ngayo nama qualifier we World Cup baze ba qualifyela ne World Cup bayiqualifyele kahle la i World Cup bengakabinali system yokuthi qualifyela ama team i10 bafethu lechezi leli lintswembu mfana wena ushayine tricks utubukeka ngathi bowi substitute
eventile sibehlele ebhenjini ngithola khona le behlele ebhenjini yangena ngoku uyaqala yawo mapa ama fans yabo waba ne hype serious so ijezi leli bafethu njengoba nibona ukuthi shaya izinto ezifresh isikhumbula ibafana iwini AFCON mhlawumbe izoyiwini World Cup kwazibani yabo so yeah ziningi izinto esizozenza ngala majezi lawa khona namajita obviously bafethu azowina but ke nje ijezi elisha ile bafana but retro ngoba we taking you guys back to 1996
when bafana did the right things and by the way in case bongas akekho South Africa naso khona manje no one in South Africa has this right now. Yeah, no one in South Africa. Yeah. We are the first people to have them and is limited. Ngizobiza ingamla yethu ne. Le ngamla yethu mayingena lana cause yena beka khona 96 wabonile ama player obabonile wena umbona awumazi no Shoes Mushe wena.
Oh, Shoes ngama.
Wena umuzwa ngegama nje bethi Shoes Mushe. No Dr. Khumalo usizwa ama podcast. Ngoba ngasa ama podcast ngaba umazi uDr. Khumalo.
But no ngiyawazi amajita. Okay, isikhathi esiningi fade ngiyaba futhi nabo. But yeah, boss leba futhi beyise stadium ebekade cabanga sibuya kuzinto ze-apartheid zanzani but bekade stadium ifeel bafethu uzwile ukuthi bekunjani ngo1996 yabo
semi-final
bekade
ngama group stage bekalapha ya so wabhekile lama game lawa wabonile nama player no somfana siphi credit to ama player bewadlalele bafana lapha yana especially laba bangasekho bona ubani John Mweti
Phil
Masinga yena uShoes Mushe abantu that make things happen for bafana mara abasekho so yabona nje basifakele iskipa lesikahle sifuna ukuthi sibe lucky charm for bafana ya today yabo kuthi nabo nabafika lena benza izinto eziright zenzeke athi sibiza ingamla yethu izeke izo explain yonke into abafethu because le ikipa lezi yithi kuphele sinazo but sifuna ukuthi abantu bazithole abantu abayi 100 stand a chance ukuthi bazithole le skipa lesi a story nokudura abafethu very affordable yabona mangayenza into e1 wazincisha avocado nje for a week wangathenga avocado awuzoba mnandi mfethu or wangathenga amagwinya neacha uyavuka uthola iskipa sakho uba solid uba mnandi Kev Lava
nangu yangena bafethu uzonibonisa sona
nalo ingamla lethu liyangena bafethu bekakhona 1996 bekakhona 96 What did you want to ask me? Please tell us the heritage of this t-shirt. These Inyanas don't understand how important this t-shirt is to South Africans.
So let me just set the context for you. Let me make sure that you understand where we were as a country, because you guys are young, the Nyanas. And South Africa just won the Rugby World Cup. There was a lot of Rainbow Nation. The country was in a great place. And then all of a sudden this AFCON, which I don't know how we won it, but we got to host this thing, right? Mm-hmm. And I was working at 5FM at the time. I was I was still working community radio at Smart FM. It was not even a national radio. And I wanted to be a journalist at the games because I thought, it's great that rugby's done well, but I'm a soccer fan. I've grown up with football, and this could be the biggest moment for South African football. Not knowing, of course, that we were going to win. But I went to three games. The opening game, the quarterfinal and the semi-final. I was banned from going to the final because my boss at the time said I had to be at work, and it was on a Sunday. So I sat in the studio and I took all the pictures from the paper and I put the paper around the studio and was giving people updates on the radio. And the thing about this time, gents, is we've got now we've got section, I think, what's it, section 12 and Master Chef and what's Mofo King's nickname?
President
Amatuke.
10-111 Ozonapolis.
And again, we were so young in football in those days, but I'll never forget how when Mark Fish got the ball, everyone went Fish, and then it was Mokoko, and then John Shoes Mashwaya. Of course, being the Mlungu, I didn't know that they were going Shoes. I thought they were booing him. I'm like, why are they booing Shoes Mashwaya? And the the jersey was something that nobody had, we'd never seen anything like this. So I'll tell you a funny story. We were fans of the team, and we happened to know the team manager at the time, a friend of mine. We went to the hotel in Mill Park, and we bought one of the jerseys, the original, and we threw it up, and we said, go get it signed by everyone. So you talk, and this is how Roo used to wear his. Lucas
Captain
Radebe.
Fantastic.
Captain, my captain. What a player. And then we got Mokoku, Neil Tovey, and then the nation builder, Mark Williams, Sean Bartlett, Philemon Masinga, Cyril Nzama, Helman Mkalele, Linda Buthelezi, and the Mercedes-Benz. I'm trying to remember all the other names. He was married to Zodwa Khoza. Shame, he died. Sizwe
Mdaunge.
What a player.
Yeah,
What a player.
Cyril Nzama, Sizwe Motaung. It was just the most amazing thing. So we win this opening game, and then, of course, comes the quarterfinal. I think it was semi-final against Ghana, and Mark Fish scores. And I'm in the stands with all the fans, and we're singing. I didn't even know the words. But the song went something like this. Helele man, oh yes, we sizwe. Helele man. What is that song?
It's, what is
Helele ma uyeza usizwe.
I don't know. Anyway, that was the song. I also didn't know, but we sang and we danced. Were you even alive?
No.
He wasn't alive.
He wasn't alive.
He wasn't alive.
You were around. How old were you?
I was around. I was 11.
But Helelema, I know the song, but it's just that they freestyle around it.
But I think like wearing this today, like I feel like I'm back in '96. This is real football heritage. This was a time when Bafana and Gavin, Coach Barker, and the team, it was just like to support the national team was a thing, and it's been a hard period. I mean, obviously World Cup 2002, 2010 was amazing, and now we're back in the World Cup. But this is heritage, bro. And you know the story. I don't know if you've told everybody, but we've got 100 of these jerseys that we are going to make available on Monday, exclusive to Omni. I'm really proud of it. I'm enjoying wearing the shirts. I like the feel, but it's available. It is available in store, so there's some independents that have got it, and Total Sports have also got the shirt. There are not many. I'm telling you, there's not many. If you don't go and buy this weekend, you're going to miss out. But if you do miss out, or if you want to buy from us, I'll tell you a good reason. On one day next week, we'll let you know. We're going to give 90 people. That's all. 90. That's it. 90 people a chance to buy the shirt from us. But if you buy from us, we're going to enter you into a special draw to win a 5,000 Rand Kappa hamper.
So meaning you could even get yourself a Chiefs.
You could
T-shirt.
Who knows? You're going to win you're going to win a full-on Kappa hamper. I mean, this is $9.99. It's a good price, bro.
Good price.
You showed them the pants.
Good
Did you show them the pants?
No.
Please stand up.
These are the pants, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Show them the Kappa, bro. Show them the side.
Turn around, Usman.
As a model.
No, Sawon. Turn around.
Two piece bafowethu. Yeah, umuntu nizoyithola ngekhothi.
That's $14.99, pants $12.99. But this jersey, you want to have one. You want to be one of the very few people in the country to wear the shirt.
One of the players.
I mean, as I say,
be on the bench.
While I wear it like Roo, like my pride. I just feel, and you know, tonight is Nicaragua, and I know there's been lots of arguments around what do we do. Like, should we support the team? Hugo Bruce has let us down. And I know you guys have said, you know, you've got your opinions on which player should have been in. My view, and I'm going to leave you now, is nobody could be more upset than the player himself that got left out.
Yeah.
Peterson, those players must be burning right now. I really feel for them. And my wish, and my colleague over here will agree with me, and I know the fans are taking it so personally, is that Hugo Bruce is a coach. He's got a job. He's not doing anything to upset anybody he's trying to do the best job that he can. My view is that we must get behind him. We must take this moment in 96 and get behind the coach. Even if you don't necessarily agree with the choices that he's made. And they're hard choices. Believe if you've coached football or you've played and you haven't got selected, it's hard. It's hard. And believe me, for those players who got left out, it's hard. The fans feel it's personal. I know that the Kaizer Chiefs are taking it very personally. I've seen a lot of comments online. We're supporting Mexico. Like, if there was ever a time, like South African football, for me, is in the best place we've been for many, many years. We've got Chiefs in the top 3. which is where they should be, not outside the top 8, ne?
Yeah, top 3, not top 2, not top 1, top 3.
So I said I'm a true Pirates fan.
We have a question for you, Kev,
Yes.
from Maxwell. He says,
Yeah.
is he the Kappa CEO?
Me? No, I'm Omni. I'm the guy. Sorry, I don't know which camera to. I'm the guy who's usually on that side, but I'm a football fan just like you. I've become a Buccaneer. I was explaining, and because of the influence from this and Jan over here. But you know, as a soccer fan, as a South African, I just want the best for our team. I want us to go and beat Mexico. I want us to win the second game against Korea, the third game against the Czech Republic. Bro, like nothing would make me happier. And I know somewhere in your heart you've got love for the country and love for the team, and maybe you don't like Hugo Bruce, but the players deserve our support. The players who are there. They're playing for us, they're playing for the country, they're playing for South African pride, and we'll be watching along with you, and we'll be here throughout the World Cup. But like my wish is that all South Africans get behind the team, wherever you are in the world. So wherever you are, asseblief, you know, how do I say in vernac? Sanctela. All right.
Last one, Kev.
All right, I'll leave the gents to it.
They're asking you to please tell Kappa to make Chiefs a good kit for the next season.
I've seen it, it's good.
Niswele bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs expectani a nice kit next season. By the way, in case you didn't know, nale Chiefs so besishaya kanje so basi-launch, but mina unfortunately angivumelekanga ukuthi ngiqoke
selikhona ijezi le-Kaizer Chiefs siyalazi
kuzobe kushubile bafethu. Yimini unkulu sizokhuluma kahle kena sojula kabanzi sikhulume ngale squad sebafana the chances of bafana doing well at the World Cup. Niyabona sifaka ikipa zeKapa zifuna wonke umuntu ajabule iskipa iheritage yebafana le bafethu. If you don't have le skipa lese seKapa, you stand a chance yokuthi usithole nathi la ku Omni Audio Africa bafethu. Order it from Tina, sizonipa wonke ama T's and C's kahle from Monday, mara cheap. 999 bafethu cheap isigoronyana
isigoronyana cheap mfethu cabanga pheka le jezi leli 999 bafethu cause ama jezi manje boma 1 point something amanye boma 2 point something, so le jezi leli leKapa bafethu asonke singalithola.
Asingene edabeni ke. So the last time bafana had a coach who called players that actually did the right things maba compete bafana befake le jezi leli.
Sure.
I'd like to give Clive Barker his flowers in front of everyone, because mina mangibona lesa squad, it seemed as though bekangana ma favorites. It seemed as though bekabiza ma players based on the performance nokuthi uNtswembo kangakanani. Fast forward angazi how many years later, 29 years later, sesilana manje qualify le World Cup futhi again. But we can't say the same ngo Hugo Bruce mfana.
Sifethu kubonakala ngathi ucoach wethu Hugo Bruce unama favorite wakhe yabo, so akaselect ama player based on performance. Hugo Bruce uselecta ngokuthanda bani yabo, into ayishilo ngolongo Peterson mina ngithusile uthi akamselectanga ngoba akamazi, so it's not just performance based ukuthi akamthandi yabo. Abanye akabazi bayaqala ukufika kudala abanabantu abasha, umuntu makafika eteamini it's not like ukuthi uzomazi, but Peterson is the best performing goalkeeper in South Africa in terms of amasave
as a player udlale because keeper lead player nalo,
but no kuthiwa hayi angimazi mina uPeterson, so angikhosho uthi lo coach ethu angikhosho ukuthi uzoreact kanjani makahlala ebenchini. uPeterson kuKaizer Chiefs bekahlalisa ebenchini uvuma beyareact kanjani, beyamotivate amajita lapha nebenchini yabo.
Mina into engiconfuseayo ngo Hugo Bruce makazothi yena akaselectanga uPeterson because akamazi umaze lapho uBradley Cross
mfethu
umaze lapho Bradley Cross uyasebenza Hugo Bruce no Bradley Cross
uMakhanya
uyasebenza noMakhanya. Hugo Bruce usebenze nini nabo labantu laba? Hugo Bruce phela mesikhuluma iqinisa iplayer akalazi uGos, iplayer akalazi uWilliams, yiwo ama player akawaziyo lawo, because laba abanye noma ngaba nobudlelano nawe yakuthatha uyakushiya. And there's this thing eborayo la eSouth Africa where abantu abaningi bafuna ukucomplain abathi yeah but uMorena bamshiye cause uinjured. Umuntu injured
but bamthatha fethu abekho shona nokuthi umuntu ibuzodlala uzorecover, but nangu uyahamba kusho ukuthi kuya ngokuthi ubani, ngoba siyazi ukuthi amaplayer amaningi abawathathile mdungeke adlale ngeke adlale. Ngikunama player 26 maybe kuzodlala ama player 15 lapha ne squadini kuphela, laba abanye nje bawo support. But into ebalekile kuso sonke le squad lesi bafethe abalo abaselectile, ngiyezwa abantu bathi akuyafana bazoyithola enye chance. Bafethu wonke umuntu abamselectile ku World Cup uthola 2 million plus just njengokuba ku World Cup cabanga nama teams athola millions and millions. Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns bathola close to 100 million or so ngoba ama player wabo maningi lapha yabo nama player abuya aba millionaires. It's not just ukuthi back selector nje kuphela and nokuhlangana na one of the best players in the world. eMexico khona intwana bathi uGilberto Mora le ntwana le izodlalela Real Madrid no Barcelona yabo. So ukudlala nalo muntu ukuthi ngambona bekadlala phambi kwami aqala ukudlala ku World Cup sayembona ukuthi is gonna be great. Lawo ma moments lawo uPeterson ngeke abe nawo.
Mina I think the biggest thing enkhalisayo with what happened ngo Hugo Broos, like I said 96 kuna ma player bewasuka from ama team different mari country be united supporting Bafana 2002 players from different teams. The country was behind Bafana bo Benny McCarthy bebakhona. Ama player bewadlala international at the time ikhona into beba contributor nabazodlala ku Bafana. Abo Benny McCarthy bebabuyi kokora ma hat-trick nan for Bafana. Fast forward 2010 bekukhona uMasilela usiboniso Gaxa uSphiwe Shabalala Rinelo Lithulunyane Teko Modise Kagiso Digashwe from Golden Arrows ne bebakhona badlala lapha mari country we united we didn't care because they called all the players not as the country must abokatla komphela besibona ukuthi amani labantu laba bafethi aba deserving ukuya lapha but you fast forward manje 2026 masizwe yakho World Cup uHugo Broos yena doesn't use the system of no we select players because Lona is at a good season Lona usefomini Lona umnandi Lona alright uHugo Broos uselector based on ama favorites wakhe. There's a lot of players in that squad abaluze iform mara lapha Thembazwane is an example. He's lost the form uThembazwane. Ronwen Williams is an example uluze iform. Samkelo Kabini has never been on form. Lyle Foster has never been on form. Mara still Hugo Broos ubathathile. Lama players wabalile from 96, 2002, well 98 kahle. I think it's 98 because badale 98 98, 2002 2010 namanje every kuwo wonke lama tournament lawa 3 bekudlala amajita on form. The country was united. Khona manje the country is divided. I-country divided manje kunabanye abantu bona bo support iMexico abanye abantu bofunda iFrance abanye abantu bayofunda ama national anthem wase Mexico and then abanye babuye bathi no Hugo Broos is the coach Thulani Hugo Broos science izinto zakhe kuze Bafana ifike kuma semi final weAFCON 2023 it's because thina ama fans is complaining lesatha kathatha ama play center.
Sure manje Hugo Broos number fethu ngimangazile ungithusile umkhulu but una 70 something is expecting kubaba why banga But-ke akusu Hugo Broos kuphela. Siyazi ukuthi Hugo Broos bafethu olapha phambili in terms of like uku-announce squad but baningi abantu aba-around yena bebam-advise ukuthi thatha bani ungathathi bani. So ukublame Hugo Broos kuphela nathi ngabe yiphutha leyo nto leyo yabo ngoba kuselectwa abantu abangadeserve ukuselectwa abanye ngithi. Ngoba mduyile into lebe ngihloke siyayisho but umuntu uselectwa ngeperformance akaselectwa ngobungani ngomselect ngokuthi uyamazi awumazi selector ngeperformance and asikazi sakhala thina ngokuthi usibani bana akadeserve usibani bani uyadeserve but this time around I thina sithukile bafethu and baningi abadlali bafethu abadeserve ukuba sesquadini baningi like baningi abadlali abacontributile kucontribute abadlali abongezana kucontribute okekana kucontribute abo Thabo Mloyisane baningi abantu abacontributile and manje bafithi ba available yena uzofaka uzoselect abantu abangakaze badlali angakazi badlala ulo yazi uHugo Broos umbona ukuthi ucoach onganaqiniso bafethu onamanga wathi uHugo Broos yena iMLS ileague ebhedayo iMLS abadlala kumelanga baye khona namhlanje uselector uMakhanya waku MLS ngoba umbokazi kuMLS manje ukubalance
besha iMLS athi umbokazi angayi lapha akusileague right
waqala ngomayilula athangayi manje sika baselect abantu bakhona manje umuntu ongakazi adlala esquadini abafethu asibeni fair hayi ukuthi siyawazonda ama player kanjani but asibeni fair.
When it comes to the issue le yabo goalkeeper number 1 ne isafa meli be fair. You can't have a goalkeeper coach osuka kwi team eku PSL. You understand? Le nto le izoyenza thina sicala ukukhuluma izinto. uGrant Johnson i-goalkeeper coach kuswelele and uRicardo Goss ulapha. So izo raise ama question le nto leyo bafethu i-nepotism izinto abantu abahlezi ba complain ngazo and I'm not saying uGrant Johnson abantu bangizwe kahle don't bangangithatha out of context. I'm not saying uyo omthathile wamfaka kulesa squad lesiya but imagine if I goalkeeper coach aku Chiefs beyikhona naye kubafana bafana I'm sure naye bekazokwazi ukuthi alwele Brendan Peterson if I goalkeeper coach Kukune beyikhona bekazokwazi ukuthi alwele uRicardo Lina so I think to be fair ama goalkeeper coach bafana mela coach kuphela kubafana bafana if uthola amanye ama side gig angasebenza nama development nanani but the moment sathi abantu aseba coach ama team athile ku PSL then abantu bazoqala bathi wena mara bafit lo mkhethe because udlalela team yakhe and maybe that's not even the case because indaba yaka Brendan Peterson is really unfair sayabona ngalesikhathi yabona siyababona bonke sibakhalela abo Thembi Nkosi Lodge nabo banibani bafethu Peterson usiphakamisile isandla bekadeserve ukuthi ahamba eGworld
yeah as for Peterson I mean angazi ukuthi ngingathini bafethu wonke umuntu phela othanda ibhola bekumele simsupport uPeterson whether u favor iphi team but just in terms of ama performances wakhe umfethu ukwazile ukulo khona abanye abantu bathi ulona Hugo Bros has done a lot for our football wenza izinto eziningi Hugo Bros yamnika ama flowers wakhe uthi okay ufikile washape izinto washintsha izinto but manje kumele us unite angithi kumele select ngokweqiniso hayi ngokuthi u favor abantu uthanda abantu kanjani angithi so kumele akwazi ukubonisa uHugo Bros ukuthi uyi leader yena and we independent ilento lebo yisho mduthi there's no way umuntu wase team nami ngizoselect ugoalkeeper wami if ngikuba fana bafana yabo and yazi ngimbhekile lo uGrant wakhona lo esiwelele ulwamlungu mfethu naye uthukile ukuthi uPeterson waye bangamselectanga ngoba uyalazi iqiniso but nayo involve obvious ukuthi kuselect uRicardo Goss indoda bayisha 7 goals egame ne1 7 goals
bazokutshela make uzoza amanye ama legend bakhuluma bathi no uRicardo Goss beka right this season look at the number of saves that is made against Aboban against Orbit College against Magesi FC and then one good performance against Orlando Pirates already sesithi udlalile lo mjida how consistent has Peterson been uthema kalimala baba ku Chiefs kwazacaca ukuthi uPeterson akekho makabuya kwacaca ukuthi uPeterson lo muntu lona beka save ama shot asuka ku Lyon from ama players suka khona le South America so if there's anyone for me right now we confidence yakhe phezulu uyi Peterson and if beka yile ku World Cup mina for mina bekumela qala uRonwen Williams bekazom motivator from the bench because niyazwa abantu abaningi bathi no ibhola lamanje selichangeile bafana is a ball playing team uPeterson na uzokwazi ukuthi adlale lezi zinto aboRonwen Williams abazenza zokuphasa emaceleni uyakwazi ukuzenza but the question is makumela save team can we count on Ronwen Williams to do that or can we count on Usipo Chain to do that or can we count on Brendan Peterson
uPeterson useva kangcono kunamajita sibonile thina ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu ababheki lezi zinto lezi abazazi abantu kumele babheke ishow kaSizwe Mabhena babone lezi zinto lezi ama stats wangempela hayi lama stats la wena wabona online bafethu ukuthi lo uPeterson wenzeni this season yabo and yabona khona bathi khona obuzayo ukuthi sithe uThembazwane akadeserve ngithe mina uThembazwane akadeserve yaku World Cup kumele bathathe uTito ubani obe nesizini eright ngoba nina nithanda ukuthi abantu bathi asiselecteni uThembazwane ngoba unyamkhumbula 2022 kusho ukuthi kumele select uSiphiwe Shabalala ke bafuna ngoba namkhumbula 2010 FIFA World Cup aselect abantu based on current form select abantu based on history benzani hayi bafuthani meni kancane uTito uneyinkinga zakhe kuLorlando Pirates iOrlando Pirates nihlezi nithi ngiyayizonda ngithi bafethu hlezi nisho kanjalo but uTito this season mbeke noThembazwane ungadlalisa abantu wena ngoba inkinga esoba na yazini mntu kunabo number 10 abayi2 kuphela esquadini urile mfuke nginoThembazwane kuphela and uThembazwane uHugo Bros usho straight uThembazwane ngeke abaniki 90 minutes ngeke adlala isikhathi kusho ukuthi urile mfuke ngokumela akwazi ukuthwala ibafana if urile mfuke uyahluleka ukuthwala ibafana kusho ukuthi sesifile indaba ethi ayisekho
mina my biggest issue ngoThembazwane naye how many games has he played this season how many goals has he scored how many chances has he created
lapho ke uzothola ianswer yakho straight none
ilapho impendulo
zero
uThembazwane ngisho final yeCAF Champions League kuze kwalwa uRonwen Williams ukuthi ngicela iCaptain yami ukuthi azophakamisa wangena lapha sekusele boma 2 minutes ukuthi akathintanga
nebhola ungene sokusela ama second
and then you compare him to uTito coming off the bench kunalapha uTito bekangena ebenchini koLorlando Pirates how many goals has he scored how many chances has he created and then when masakaqala ama game yini into futhi akayenzile so I think the problem lana is that once Hugo Bros builds a relationship nawe uba loyal kuwe uyakuthanda uyakappreciate because philosophy yaka Hugo Bros is no game time no bafana uyenzile ngoPesitawo no game time no bafana wayenza ngoSipombule no game time no bafana wayenza ngoba Thusi Obas no game time no bafana and he did it the list is endless now Tito self-truth it's no game time no bafana the same Tito la uThembazwane limala khona he came in as a replacement aka Thembazwane wakora magola ayithunya khumbula bebadlala AFCON qualifier now Hugo Bros uyajika lama player wonke lawa amanye uyawabetray uthatha uThembazwane ukuthi Chambazwane no game time uzongena kubafana bafana. So mina I think Hugo Bruce doesn't believe in form. Ufuna umjida abe off form. Ngishila izolo ngiyenzile ivideo izolo ngakhuluma ngayo ngathi yabona mafuna ukudlalela bafana bafana. Yabona mafuna ukudlalela bafana bafana ma striker kora 1 goal in 8 games uyakubafana bafana. Mafuna ukudlalela bafana bafana uyi number 10 like uThembazwane create 0 chances, score no goals, ungabi involved na ku build up play. Hugo Bruce uzokuthatha kubizwe kubafana bafana. Ma u goalkeeper ufuna ukubafana bafana mele udlise. Yabona bashama goal ay 7 or 8. Emfana uba umbobo Hugo Bruce uhamba nawe yakubafana bafana. You'd swear i-mandate yakhe is to come here and destroy.
So Hugo Bruce uselecta ama player Kaizer Chiefs ayi4 and ebekazi ukuthi ngeke awabiza uzobiza nje uCross futhi uCross ika abantu abaningi akusho mina bathi PR bafowethu ngendaba ukuthi manje silwa neUnited States izinto ukuthi okay singakhulumi ngayo lento le la ku video ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi bazoyiblocker yabo but ulo ukhona ama player ubona ukuthi aya deserve na ukuba khona but awe Chiefs wabize ngoba bekafuna ama eyeballs amaningi bekafuna i-viewership yabo kube nebuzz ukuthi okune chance ukuthi uPeterson cause sonke besazi ukuthi uPeterson noma besicabanga ukuthi uPeterson uzoya ku World Cup akayi ku World Cup ene bahlaza ama player yacabanga ngibona ulebo hang mabuya hleli lapha bahlaza ama player ususa umuntu kwakhe or kubo uzombeka lapha bafethu ukuthi azoshayela abanye abantu izandla ngabe bahleli babukele from emakhaya labantu laba yabo le squad indlela abenze ngayo bafethu babahlaza amajita ayisona mina bafethu ngibazwela amajita but ke iSouth Africa ngiyayazi ke kanje 2010 FIFA World Cup before igame eMexico bathatha ibus bona bayahamba bashaya itour benzani ngifuna ukudlala ibhola noma ngifuna ukwenza ama event ngoba maybe ni promote ama brands are different ensebenza now cause sina sifuna ukufocus ebholeni bafowethu selecta isquad that's it ungaloku udlala ngama players amaningi
mfethu le nto ye announcement yaka Hugo Bruce ne iqala ngo7 yaphela ngo8 why kuyi hour ku announce isquad sekuyithuba lokuthi president yethu ishayine ama ministers awathola ithuba bokuthi bakhuluma ama speech forward and then after bakhuluma wonke lawo ama speech Hugo Bruce ubiza abadlali bakhe uyibonile mfethu body language yabo Tito nabo Peterson ukuthi ba disappointed ukuthi in front of the whole country bafethu nasibiza nasihlaza phambi kwezwe lonke nasibiza iSouth Africa phela almost all South African football lovers were watching that day wonke umuntu ase South Africa bekabhekelele injani confidence yalama player lawo injani energy yalama player lawo injani imizwa yalama player lawo you understand so Hugo Bruce mina the reason ngithi is disrespecting us is because he constantly finds a way to disrespect our players if akabatelelanga ngokuthi le ayenzile the day asha squad announcement in front of the media biza sonke preliminary squad uyahamba ku media bambuzo ngombekezelo imbokazi akhulume last bambuza ngosipho chain wathi bafana si charity case each time nabambuza ngama player athile akakwazi ukuthi asiphi substance ukuthi no umjito songimshiye ngenxa yalokhu nalokhu instead uhamba delela ama player wethu asitshele ngama player adlala eEurope ukuthi ama player adlala eEurope yiba right ngicela ungibaleleli one player right now ne kubafana bafana elidlala eEurope elicontribute anything to a national team manje uyayasithole urelegate team yakhe mfethu ba relegate labantu is not good enough for ibafana uLebohang Maboy is better than uyayasithole for mina bafethu ayikabi noma ningathini uyaya ngaze ngambona shy tackle mina uyaya bathi bamthathela ukuthi une height uyipresence yakhe angazi ngambona head ibhola mina assist even namakhona ayikho ngihlezi ngibona gijimisa ama player amanyazayo okora bafethu lo muntu angazi ngimbona contribute I don't see any aggression from yena I see nothing just bayambiza ngoba uyabathanda Hugo Bruce uyamthanda and lo muntu lo bambiza ku AFCON bafethu abuya ku injury angadlalanga isikhathi eside 6 months 7 months wangena wadlala so laba abanye bangadlali okay yabona uSipho Mbuli naye ngiyamzwela ngokuthi bangambizi yabo uSipho Mbuli akadlali koLorlando Pirates but beka present beka there kule bafana le ama qualifiers that is why mfethu abantu wathi sim card yakhe se-USA mfethu wathi sim card yakhe se-USA so khona manje sekumele ilocate la eSouth Africa le sim card yakhe man Hugo Bruce angabo yenza kanje but and then sikhulume because at the end of it all ne as much as ngababhesha sikhali sithini sekakhethile how far do you see bafana going le World Cup le
kuzoba nzima kubafana ku World Cup but mangibheka sidlala neMexico ngeke survive lapha neMexico idlala ehome yabo angeke survive ngiyibonile iMexico angeke silunga but into esingimele siyizame lapha ukuthola iwin nedraw ne and maybe just one winning aba enough ukuthi siye kuma knockout stages why ngoba manje kuthathwa ama teams awu2 eteam elona kuma group ne but ke kunama teams ngathi ayi4 ayingakhe ama best number 3 masingaba lapho ku best number 3 ngenzeka siye kuma knockout stages but mina I don't see thina sithola i3 points I don't see 3 points yazi ngibheke nale national team lane Czech Republic yakhona labantu ama giant mfethu like ama Giant bazoshanga ama crosses kuphela ombakazi ngeke bawamake lawa majita layo
that's another department esileka kuyi height
laphana emove yabo aggression bakhona ombakazi but ama cross mfethu kuzoba nzima so bafana bazoyinokha out kuma first round yabo but ke I presence ukuthi sikhona yabo ukuthi sikhona nathi siphakamisa isandla sangena ku World Cup so I think into eso celebrate nanokuthi sobukela ama billions of abantu all over the world abo Rile Mfokeng bazothola iplatform ukuthi uRile Mfokeng ke manje ama eyeballs akuye umuntu ngiyazi oswena police ukuthi uyo contributor kakhulu but uRile Mfokeng ngithi uyo ne hype kakhulu so kumele deliver kule World Cup ukuthi umhlaba wonke ukwazi ukumbona
mina mfana ngifuna ukusho statement esizokuthusa ibafana izoyidla iMexico. I'll tell you why I say this. Ngizokutshela why ngisho. Ibafana izoyidla iMexico. We qualified for a World Cup not because of the coach but because of the players. Yabona khona manje ne mfana it's the best time to watch South African football. Amajita adlala ngokuyimisele and italent diningi khona manje. So I think someone like Ikram Reyners amfana ngawuthola umbobo. Someone like uTalent Mbatha othanda ukushoota from outside angawuthola umbobo. Someone like Etebza angawuthola umbobo. Someone like Ozuna Police and namazi Ozuna Police masekathi uyatabalaza masekathi uyangena lapha yana uyabona West masekathi uyakhatha kunama defender maningi maseka lokashala amavula vala wakhe eventually ayishaye bese ingena phakathi. I think bafana stands a chance against Mexico and then I think against South Korea yila bafana will be really tested and I'm saying they stand a chance against Mexico because number one, it's number defender 11.
Yeah, so if go defender 9 move.
So I think, but honestly speaking, jokes aside, I think Amachita now Maya Lapag World Cup. It's not just about playing for the country, Gubo. It's not just about playing for the coach, but it's also about Tuktola Mascout and Sibabonile Mfana. Abo Tebu Homukono Bonile ku CAF Champions League with Benzis into Zinjan. Played the most minutes Lapag CAF Champions League. And one thing about Utebzo consistent in performance ake. So bazodlala ngokuyikhanda nokuyimisela abantu. Into nje izongicasula i1. I-credit yonke izoya ku Hugo Bruce. Bazokhohla ukuthi ama player yiwasebenze kangcono ukuhlula uHugo Bruce. uHugo Bruce besizomupa i-credit if beka biza ama player ngokweform nangokuthi lo uya deserve ukudlala not ngefavoritism yakhe. Alikho neli one favorite lakhe elizoscorela lapha because uyaya ngeka kore no Lyle Foster ngeka azakore. Ano evidence mahoba ngimbona kore. Ikram Reyners.
Strike is important to Reyners for South Africa but uzodlala uReyners na because ungakhohle ukuthi u number 3 uyi third choice lapha na kubafana ukuthi bamselectile akusho ukuthi uzodlala yabo so mina mangibheka yonke le ndaba le bafana I see ama players mfethu uyazi ukuthi ku history World Cup ne I host nation ayikazi lose opening game yithi kuphela esayidraw ne Mexico ne I win ayikazi I lose or draw yeyawini host nation isikhathi esiningi yabo so I don't see Mexico sishaye home kuyoba nzima lapha ne Mexico ukudlala nabo drag lord yabo so kuzoba nzima kakhulu but and basuper ba talented abantu base Mexico in terms bayalazi ibhola and yazi bana le nhliziyo le ngaphandle basingeza ne strategy yabo le strategy lesokudlala ku CAF ukuthi niyabahlupha abantu baya react and batholisa ama yellow card
benza lama dark cards
i-planning
ngibambonile umkuku ukuthi wenzeni ngolando Pirates sidinga umuntu ozofika landela amajito eMexico lapha basegijima ababamba ibhola afika muthi amaboma afika muthi nje lo Mexico makatwala ubese umfuke ngazilahlele phansi abanganya kutshela sayishaya because bazophuma egaming so alright lezi zinto lezi esizifunde ku CAF mele sizithathe siyenazo sebenzisa zona lapha eMexico because but also the problem i1 ucoach wethu uzokutshela ukuthi yena akazifuni lezo zinto lo angazi ucanga ukuthi iBelgium iBrazil angazi ucanga ukuthi iBelgium iGermany nangoba iBelgium kwayona self akusukuthi izoyiwina iWorld Cup if they even ever won the World Cup
iBelgium
bake bayiwina
abakazi bayiwina World Cup iPrime the only hype yeBelgium beyibuild around uHazard kuphela phela uHazard ayiwani umntana abantu ezu number 10 uye kuphela after Hazard ucabanga ukuthi ungawina iWorld Cup wena ngabo Lukaku ungazodlala nina bafethu
I know mfowethu boss singayivala bafethu niyazibonela ukuthi sibahle kanjani e-studio siyabonga ikapa ithe wozani bafana sinifake le ikipa lezi ezicacile lapho bafana yayindiza khona yahamba emoyeni le ikipa lezi zizoba available soon kuzoba netoranyana ezithile zizoba nazo le ikipa lezi all you need to do wena silandele on Omni Audio Africa because nathi sizobe sinazo mara zethu zizoba zine discount so cabanga if bate shop siyi-1000 mhlambe la kithi ungasithola ngenye imali ethe ukwehla kancane because thina sabathanda abalandeli bethu we love our fans we love the people that sweat us we love the people that enjoy our content sithanda wonke umuntu othanda ibafana and we only wish the best for ibafana don't forget World Cup so besinama watch along ibafana so basibheke khona la studio so basiphuza ama cold drink wethu sibhekile lapho Hugo Bruce Maidliwe ibafana sithi mabasuse lento ekhande limhlophe man bayenze izinto ezi right thank you Cerealist breakfast it's ready for you to eating petty bench womala.
Danke bafethu siyabonga ukusijoina ku Omni Audio Africa umduno nonkuli lothi akasifuni iskipa akayisupport ibafana hambani usupport iMexico lindiwe nasinandaba nani so ningakhohlwa ukungilandela kuNkuli Soccer ku YouTube bafethu yeah ziningi izinto maybe nami ngizozidropa khona ngizozintshontsha la e-studio ngininike zona mahala so siyabonga bafethu ukusijoina ngaphandle kwenu bafethu ayikho platform noma lindiwe noma obani nisithuka but uku-engage kwenu bafethu kuyasithatha kusibeka lini esicongweni ngoba we are the biggest platform in the country no one is bigger than Omni Audio ngicela uyibhale lo channel ocabanga ukuthi bigger and greater than thina umdu is number 2 in terms of being the face of South African football after me